Wyman Yoder enjoys nature, hunting, and art, and he has come up with a way to share that enjoyment with other people. Yoder has been making handcrafted turkey calls in the shape of various species of Michigan turtles. He also has been making custom knives to use while hunting and fishing. For the knives, he uses antler, maple, Petoskey stone, and pudding stones as some of his materials. Yoder has always liked to make things, and he thought he would connect his enjoyment of hunting, nature, and art into one.